This is how I made my logo in less than 60 seconds, which is utilizing Dall-e 3. First I went to Chatgpt, then I went to Dall-e 3 plugin. Now this actually does require the paid version of Chatgpt 4, but you're in luck today because you can get Dall-e 3 completely for free. Just click the link in my description or click the link in my bio. Now let's actually head over to Chatgpt. If you need a logo, let's say kangaroo holding a bag of money, right? And the reason creating a kangaroo holding a bag of money is to say, if that was your logo and you're teaching people how to save and your mascot was a kangaroo. Look at this. Look at this. The whole logo. Your logo is right here. Right here. Look. Your logo. Right here. Like, there's no excuses no more. There's no excuses. If you need help with anything of becoming a content creator, going for your goals, leave it in the comments or DM me. If you leave in the comments of what you're looking for and what you need for your next step in your business, look, hey, if you can help that person, literally comment and connect. Like, life is about connections. Like, build your network, the bigger network. Somebody in the comments may be able to help you with that. Now you're connected to a whole nother network. So if any of your friends need that connection, you can mediate that. You can charge other people to connect, or however you want to do it. Middleman, make some money, however you want to do it. However you want to do it. I'm just trying to show you, like, look at this. I created these off of this prompt right here. I took this, I clicked this, and I click copy. Scroll down, bam. Bam. If you want this one, all you have to do is just click download right here, right? Let's say you click download right here. As a matter of fact, I really just want to help y'all out in this situation right now. We're on Canva right now, right? Bam, since we downloaded our image, we're going to say create a new design. We're going to import a file. And the file that we're going to import is the kangaroo. We're going to say using a new design. Let's say logo, right? Bam. And let's just say, so let's say if you made it smaller, right? And you noticed that the background wasn't matching, right? If you do not have the Pro Canva, which is right here, like on this account, I logged into my other one because it was the quickest. So if you are like me in this situation currently, right, you can just click this, and Canva is going to pop up some of the colors that's already in there, right? So bam, we have that situated. We're just going to scroll, move that down, and say we moved it up. And let's say if we like this font over here, because we go to elements, this is design. So let's say we went over to click design, and let's say we liked any of these. We can click this, but as you can see, it made it disappear, right? So we're going to click right here, undo. We're going to add new page. Let me go back. So let me delete this. So we're going to add new page. We're going to click this so they can get added. And it'll just say we have Rue Savings. And say save to invest, right? I just say if this was the subtitle of your logo. Bam, right? We're going to copy this. So first you can copy this, you can click this, then you can hold shift and click the second one. Now we can group them together. We're going to move it over here, right? So as you can see, we have this. We can move this over. Bam. Rue Savings. Now we have our logo. We have our logo completely done. Let's just say if you wanted to change the color. Let's say if you wanted to change the color, you're like, hey, I don't like this color. Like, we need another color, right? You can change the color. Just click right here, and change the colors. Bam. Let's say you wanted it pink. Or just say, sure, I just want to keep it black. I'm a simple man. I'm a simple gal. I just want to keep it black, right? So you can keep it black. Make it smaller if you want to. Move it over. Bam, you know, and voila. Next, what we can do, we can go to share, we can click download, and make sure if you have more than one page inside of your Canva folder, um, you can go to PNG. I like PNG simply because it's higher quality, but you can go to JPEG, you can go to PDF, however you want to do it. I'm just telling you how I do it. So you go to PNG, and if you actually have the Pro, then you can click transparent and then delete the background. But if you want to delete the background, there's other free apps out there, or you can just get the trial. I click the link in the bio, or click the link in the description. Next, we're going to go to select pages. So we're going to unclick all pages. Then we're going to click the first one, and it'll just say, like, hey man, I wanted a bigger size. Then sure, you're gonna have to go ahead and just get the free trial, or just invest in yourself. $15, $13 is not really much. Just go ahead and do your thing. Like I'm just saying. So next, click download. Now since we downloaded, now we got access to our logo. Not only that, look, check this. Now that you know how to create these, you can go tell other people, hey, how to create your logo. I create your picture. Or you want a nice picture in your house? You want a picture on your computer, you know what I'm saying, or a picture on the wall? Then, hey, I can create it for you. What you want? Or you want a cat and a dog sitting in the living room? I got you. Like, you can utilize this to make some money if you need some money. Like, I'm just trying to show you and give y'all some game. But as promised, I did tell y'all that I would show y'all how to actually get Dall-e 3 for free. So therefore, I'm going to keep my promise. We're going to go over to bing.com, right? We're going to use this URL. And as you can see, you can literally have Dall-e 3 for free, literally for free. Just click join and create, right? Once you click join, you just sign up for a Microsoft account. Bam, now you can utilize Dall-e 3 for a certain amount of time though, because once you run out of credits, then you have to buy more credits, or you can just go to Chatgpt for pay $20 a month and get to utilize it for as much as you want. Make sure y'all click the subscribe button, show some love, likes, comments, and I do have all the links in the description. If y'all need any free items, free products, y'all can click the link in the description. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.